In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Canva Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a photo into your document, place it where you want, and size it so it looks clean and professional. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Once you're signed in, open the Canva doc you want to work on. It helps to have the page or section where you want the image in view, so you can place it right away without scrolling around. If your document already has text, don't worry. Images can sit above, below, or alongside it, and you can always adjust positioning later. Now, let's upload your image. Look to the left-hand toolbar and click Uploads. Depending on your version, you might see Media instead. Both go to the same place. Click Upload Files, then choose the image from your computer. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great. If you're preparing something for print, pick a higher resolution image to keep it sharp. For on-screen documents, a standard web resolution image is often fine. After you select your file, give it a moment to upload. You'll see a small progress indicator, and once it's done, your image will appear in the Uploads panel, ready to use. When you see the thumbnail, click it to place the image into your document. It should drop onto the page near your cursor. With the image on your page, let's size and position it. Click the image to select it. You'll see handles at the corners. Always drag from a corner to resize so you keep the proportions accurate. If you pull from a side, the image can stretch and look distorted, so corners are your friend. Watch the guidelines that appear as you resize. They can help you match widths with other elements for a tidy layout. If the image feels too big in relation to your text, reduce it gradually rather than all at once to find the right balance. To move the image, click and drag it to where you want it. As you move it, Canva's smart guides will appear to help you align it with margins or center it on the page. If your text shifts around, that's normal. Just place the image first, then nudge nearby text as needed. If you ever move or size it by mistake, use Undo to step back. That's it. You've opened your doc, uploaded the image, and resized and moved it into place. Save your work, and you're done.